OnDesign Landing, this is a platform designed to create single-page websites. In this video, I would like to make an overview of the editor OnDesign Landing. I decided to record this video because I was faced with the fact that there is no good tutorial on how to create landing in OnDesign editor. So the main purpose of this video is create a mock-up of the website in the editor, then move it to your local machine and run. So let's get down to business. Well, first of all, let's see on the main page of OnDesign Landing. We are interested in sections, templates, and modules. Let's start with templates. Here you can find the appropriate template to watch its preview and start editing. For your purposes in the editor. And go down the page to the section Modules. Here you can get acquainted with all possible components from which the layout is collected landing page. As you can see, there are many subsections: navs, banners, contents, contacts, themes, and so on. So back to section templates and select the appropriate template for the example, and let's go to the editor. I like this template. So open the editor. Let's start with main menu. So let's add one menu item and edit it. Select menu and press plus button. Another item with a random ID will be added. To edit an item, click Edit Data at the top of the screen. Let's find this item. Save it. And as you can see, there is item 4 now. Here in the Edit Data, you can edit any element of your layout. But let's start with the menu. To change the name of the menu item, simply do double click. Let it be home, blog, contacts, video, oh, I'm sorry, video, and our team. Great. Well, we can add content in the left side of the screen here. So let's add some modules on our page. Just drag and drop elements to the place on the page that you need. I don't like banner. I want slider. Just delete banner and banner 1, but this is slider. Drop it here. Great. And let's change the image. Let it be allure image. Oh, I'm sorry. Allure logo. That's great. Allure. And some slogan we make you they make you happy. That's just for example. And let's choose another module. Let it be here this, and let it be our let it be some dog. I don't know. Guard dog. Just for mockup, for example, and I will choose the breed Bull Mastiff because this is the same dog as I have, and change the image. Great. And change the description. Add a bit description of the breed Bull Mastiff. Great. And we can add some styles just for a little bit pretty our design. 25 pixels, yes, that's good. Guard dog, a little bit description. We have changed the image and go to the another section. Our team. We have started with the dog, so let it be some dogs. So puppies. There's some puppies. Oh, great. Oh, sorry. It's a new top. That's great. Great puppy. And let's change the image here. Maybe not very good, but good. And you can do some description here. Puppy 1, puppy 2, puppy 2, and so on. So let's see here. And in this way, you can change other elements on our page. I don't want to waste your time now. So each element you can customize with help of a menu from the right side. And when we upload our mockup to the local machine, you can edit all parts of it to the appearance that you need. The main thing is to choose the elements that fit your design. That means if there is a video on your page, like on our page, the video. So let's add some video. I want to add some video. Mhm. Let's see content. I can't find this yet, but there is some video here. Team photo. Oh, where is our video? I want to add some video. Oh, here. Yes, that's great. This is our video. Let's bit some video from YouTube. Maybe this video. Well, you can add the URL of the video here, but and you can change the image of this. I'll let it be this image. Yes, that's great. So we have prepared some mockup, and I need to download it on my local machine and continue our tutorial. So if you need to download, you need to use this button, download, and you save the archive zip. Let it be desktop, save. Now our mockup needs to be entered into the work. So I have already created the folder on landing and drag and drop it in my Visual Studio Code. And what we need to do now is open the folder in Integrated Terminal, and I want to run create React app CRI. So I need to install it. Yarn create React app and dot. I stop the video here and continue after installation will be completed. Well, the installation has already completed. So open website landing on design. Now let's go to the documentation page. Choose doc. Unfortunately, it is partly in Chinese and partly in English. But all we need is to do a few things. Well, turn our direction to getting started. And all we need to do to install dependencies. Well, these free dependencies a free string of dependencies. So let's start with this string. You need to install all of these strings. Let's start with this, as I already do. Well, I have a weak internet connection, so I will interrupt the video because I don't want to keep you waiting. Uh, so, you install these free strings. I do this one by one. And after that, next, we need to install plugin Babel by this command npm install Babel plugin import. I do all of this stuff, and you need to do this too to make your mockup work. So I stop the video here. You install the first string, after that second string, third, and after you have installed all these strings, all these dependencies, you need to install Babel plugin. You need to use this string. So I stop the video here, install all these dependencies, and we will continue. So I have already installed all the dependencies that I showed you before, these free strings and this Babel plugin. So, well, what do we need to do after? Let's go to the use in create React app. And what we need here. So after we have installed CRI, we already have several folders. We need to copy archive home in the folder source. So use our home zip, open the folder, on landing, copy and paste it here, and extract to folder home. Oh no, I'm sorry, in source folder, and extract it to folder home. A little bit wait, This archive, we don't need it. Just delete it. Yes, all we need is in this folder. After that, we need to install dependencies for less. So this home less index.js, and we need to install dependencies for less. Pim install and so on. I start to install this, and we need to wait a little bit. So I have already done the installation of less, and what we need to do next? Next, we need to follow the steps in here. So we need to open our folder, and we start with package.json, package.json, and we need to replace the red one by the green one. Start to do this. Just replace here, build, and test. All right, save it. So after that, we need to create config overrides JS in the main folder. New file, config overrides JS, and copy and paste the content of this file. That's all right. So the next step, we need to modify the entry point index.js, source index.js, and we need to replace the red one by the green one. Import tab from home. All right. So by this step, we set in all the parameters, and we can try to start it. Start our application. So let's try to start. Wait a little bit time, and I hope we see the result, the positive result. too long, but wait a little bit more and we will see the result of our work. Uh, well, everything's okay. Some error, but I already know how to resolve this error with video. But if everything is okay, I don't need to resolve it. Just wait a little bit time. Oh no, React Sublime Video. So, oh, we need to install React Sublime Video. So let's do this. Open another terminal. Wait a little bit time and try again. So I have already done the installation of React Sublime Video. As you can see, this add the React Sublime Video to our dependencies. And let's try to npm start. And let's see our project in action. Wait a little bit time. Well, everything must be okay. Just wait. Yes, great. We have done great work. Every part of our mockup is working. Great. So subscribe on my channel, and you will see more good videos about web design and web development. Goodbye.